guys, my name is Emma and we will be making chocolate chip cookies from scratch. So I have never done this before, so let's see how it goes. These are the ingredients that I have to make my chocolate chip cookies. I'm not sponsored by any of these products. So these are all the ingredients that I have in my house. So let's see how it goes. Now we are going to pour the chocolate chips in. If I can get it open. Oh, here you go. Pour your chocolate chips. Okay, that didn't turn out well.
Go!
Okay, well that didn't work out so well, so I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Yeah, it's pretty good. Don't want it too big, because then, you know, big cookie. Okay, so we're gonna preheat the oven to 325. And so I put them in. And you want to start timer for 10 to 12 minutes. Let's do it. Okay, there we go.
And go.
It's kind of sweet in the middle a little bit because of the chocolate chips, and there's a lot of them. So, yeah.